Well, my name is Alicia Pollis. I apologize in advance. My lighting's not so good. My overhead light is a little bright. Um, I am in accounting. I would like to get my associates and eventually my bachelor's. I just graduated in May from the welding program. I got my certificate in flux core and would like to get my certificate in stick. It's just a matter of getting there, paying for it. It's expensive. Um, I am hoping to get a job accounting before I open my own little business, eventually doing welding and garage work. I currently work with a friend of mine in his garage and maybe could perhaps use my accounting skills at the end of the course to help him with his business. Um, I like to hike just like Timothy does. I'm a very outdoorsy person. I like going for nature walks. I like art. You know, the clouds are one of my favorite things. I'd like to eventually be able to paint them. I'm not as good at baking like Alicia might be. And by the way, I love you have the same name as me. And like Mackenzie, I live in Pittsfield. Um, so this will be my third time going back to school. And if I go back to school at EMCC, like I had eventually planned to, it would be my fourth time going back to school for mechanics. I have two little boys. They're 5 and 3. They are my complete motivation for all of this. It's hard, but they're getting me through it. And I'd like for them to be able to say that they're proud of their mom for going through all of this for them and for herself. I, yeah. So I hope everybody has a good semester, and I hope to learn more from you guys. Bye.